Hello everyone, it's your teacher Mrs. Miller. I hope you all are safe and doing okay. It's kind of weird and strange times here, but I'm doing this short video to talk about what we will be doing in this class in the next few weeks as we go forward. So I'm on the module section of our Canvas website. So if you go to your Canvas website for this class and click on modules, you'll come to this page. And we ended class in Module 5, but we still have some things to finish in Module 5. So I just wanted to show you that the PowerPoints are here. If you click on this link, you will get to the PowerPoints. So you will be responsible for the PowerPoints and reading the chapters. And then, of course, responsible for the case study and the other assignments. And so all of that will be turned in online now. And I did change some due dates. And so typically each module will have assignments and a test, just like normal. As we move forward, I will put short lecture videos in the announcements area. And they won't be very long because everyone's probably stressed out. But I also am going to offer Zoom sessions where we can all meet face-to-face in Zoom. And those will be on Tuesdays at 11:30, which is our regular class time. They will not be required. They will be for a half hour, so you can show up when you need to. And we can all discuss the concepts of the class, or you can ask questions and we can get answers. I will record those and then also upload those in the class in case you cannot make that time. And I will be posting the Zoom link after and another announcement. I'm going to post this video in an announcement and then later on do another Zoom announcement. So if you have questions, please email me. If you do not have access to the internet or computer, please email me and we can try to work that out because I don't want anyone to have to drop the class for that issue. Stay safe and try to get as normal as you can in your structure every day. Let me know if you have questions.